Hey, Tony Hernandez here, and I'm so glad to see you one more time. So today I want to talk about criticism towards your projects, how to take them either positive or negative. So let's roll the intro and I'll see you on the other side. Alright guys, so I am pretty sure we all have felt that feeling when your product, when your video, photo or design is being criticized, it's being torn apart, right? And to be honest, we can sometimes take it very personal. You know, it can make us feel sad, frustrated, and therefore we might feel unmotivated after that. Reason is, guys, in my own opinion, is because we creatives see our creations as our babies. You know, the videos, photos, graphic designs, or whatever it is, we see them as our creations, as our babies, right? So we put time, effort, creative thought, and all of our skills to make this work. So when someone comes and criticizes you, we cannot help it sometimes, and we take it personal because it's something that we created from scratch sometimes. But I have learned a simple technique that helps me not to take things personal. If I'm in a meeting, either in person, video call, or even through email, and I am starting to feel and taking the criticism like very personal, I start telling myself this: I did my best. This is not personal. It's not an attack against me. They just have different opinion and different perspective on how the message should be delivered. And trust me, guys, after I say this, I start to feeling much better. And if for some reason this doesn't work, well, I just start taking notes. I start listening to them, you know, and take notes. And when I'm alone, either at my office or at my house, I go through the notes, and then from there I decide which one is a positive criticism and which one is a negative criticism. And after that, I just throw away the negative, keep the positive, go to my computer, and make the changes that need to be done. If you did your best, if you put effort into this project, the videos, the photos, the designs, they are good content. This is just a difference of opinion. Now the challenge is, guys, to create something that delivers a message and also that your client likes. And if you don't agree with something, it's okay. You can talk to your client, let them know, you know what, I think this is a better idea, and explain why. You know, I'm pretty sure they will listen to you. After all, you're the expert. And don't forget, they hire you for a reason. They saw something in you that they like. Either your videos, your photos, your designs, your charisma, or they saw something in you that they're willing to pay you to create something for them. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope this information becomes helpful to you for future projects. And well, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, ring that bell, and see you guys next time.